What is the mechanical strength of the end bells used? A 1120 main per m2, B 1130 main per m2, C 1150 main per m2, D 1140 main per m2. The correct answer is 1150 main per m2. What is the voltage range for large turbo alternators? A 1520 kV, B 1823 kV, C 2023 kV, D 2025 kV. The correct answer is 2025 kV. How many types are the rotor slots distinguished into? A2, B3, C4, D5. The correct answer is 2. How many factors does the construction of the turbo alternators depend upon? A2, B4, C3, D6. The correct answer is 3. How many poles does the turbo alternators have and what is the speed of the turbo alternators? A4 poles 3000 rpm, B3 poles 6000 rpm, C2 poles 5000 rpm, D2 poles 3000 rpm. The correct answer is 2 poles 3000 rpm. What is the core length and the shaft length of a 500 megawatt turbo alternator? A5 M12 M, B6 M15 M, C3 M10 M, D4 M13 M. The correct answer is 5 M12 M. What is the outer diameter of the stator core and outer casing of 500 megawatt turbo alternator? A5 M2 M, B6 M5 M, C3 M4 M, D4 M7 M. The correct answer is 3 M4 M. What is the pulsational force produced for 500 megawatt machine? A 70 kN per m, B 60 kN per m, C 80 kN per m, D 90 kN per m. The correct answer is 80 kN per m. What is the use of the slot in the rotor? A for inserting the field windings, B for inserting the armature windings, C for securing the field windings, D for inserting and securing the field windings. The correct answer is for inserting and securing the field windings. What is the advantage of the grain-oriented steel laminations? A. It lowers the iron loss, B. It lowers the core loss, C. It lowers the heating effects, D. It lowers the harmonics. The correct answer is it lowers the core loss. What is the relation of the lengths and diameters with the turbo alternators? A. Long length long diameters, B. Long length short diameters, C. Short lengths short diameters, D. Short lengths long diameters. The correct answer is long length short diameters. What type of lamination is used for the stator core of the turbo alternators? A. Stepped, B. Smooth, C. Interleaved, D. Segmental. The correct answer is segmental. What is the use of the laminated and transposed conductors in turbo alternators? A. To decrease the harmonics, B. To decrease the heating effects, C. To decrease the iron and core loss, D. To decrease the eddy current loss. The correct answer is to decrease the eddy current loss. The overhang has to be highly reinforced in turbo alternators. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The rotor is slotted for 1/3 of its periphery. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false.